Good evening, guys. Donnie Outdoorsman here, out here doing some summertime hot fishing, and I'm gonna do a clean and cook here. I caught some crappie over here at this pond. I'm out here on my friend's property. He got the hay all baled up, well rolled up. Beautiful day out. Look at them clouds up there. And I got tired of sitting in the house. I was hoping that the rain would give me a break, and it did. So I came out for a few hours to just do a little fishing and make a little video, because I get tired of staying in the house sometimes. It's a beautiful day out. It's a little hot, but I'm in shade right now, so there's a breeze. And I said, what better time than to go out here, catch a few crappie and bluegill, and let's put them in the skillet. I like catching big crappie, but for frying and doing the old-fashioned way, a lot of y'all might not know about that, but down south we just cut the head off, gut them, scale them, and put them in the grease and pick bones. And man, that flavor that those crappie give, if you know what I'm talking about, ain't nothing like the bone in on a fish. Buffalo, catfish steaks, crappie. You can't get a huge crappie in the skillet, but I like these small pan fries that I caught today, and I'm gonna show you a few of them. There's some of them right there that I caught today. That ain't a good one, but like I said, this size right here is perfect for the skillet. I got a small skillet over here that I'm gonna hook up here in a minute, and we're gonna fry them up. I got me a potato. Hey, I'm just old country boy. Got a potato. I'm gonna slice it up and put it in the grease also. We're gonna have fish and potatoes, and we're gonna sit out here and enjoy the great outdoors and just have a good old time. Out from the city, out from the house, just enjoying good living and good eating. So I'm gonna show you my setup here. I got my cooker over here. It's a butane bottle cooker, and that's it right here. This is my sweat towel, but this right here is a good scaler. You can buy them at Walmart. Mine a little rusty, but it takes the scales right off of the fish. I got my cooker right here. Got my water to rinse everything off with. Got my grease. Got my Alpha Bugs, baby wipes, cast iron, good old skillet, and good old secret formula fish mix that I make up myself. I can't tell y'all everything, but I'll give you a few hints. It's cornmeal in there. But yeah, let's get started here. I'll get back with y'all. There'll be a part 2 on this. I'm gonna get to scaling this fish. But I guess I could show y'all right quick how this scaler works. I know y'all have seen it before, but I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out right quick. I'm gonna lay it on this, my plates up here. We're just gonna use this box right here and bring it down just a hair. Yeah. Get one of these good old crappie out of here. Yes, sir. And like I said, use this old box here, and like I said, that scale just knocks it. It just knocks it right off. No time. Get my new truck all scale, breaking it in, getting the scales on it, and that's it. Less than a minute probably. I'm done with that fish. Yep, I'm done with it. Get the old knife out, cut him up right quick. Behind that head, cut the head off. Boom, that's it. Come down here and I can't believe these things still got eggs on them. You got a small egg sack, it look like. Yeah, real small. And that's it, y'all. That fish is ready for the grease. I'm gonna wash him off with the water and everything, get him nice and clean. Good old water. Wash him off here. And like I said, he's gonna be ready for the greaser in a second. Nice and clean. Perfect size for the skillet. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. We'll see you in a little bit on Don Outdoor Adventures. Out here catching and cooking and relaxing in the great outdoors out here. We'll see you in a little bit.